Hi guys, I'm back.
And the other day we were browsing through the deep abyss that is the interweb.
You would think that we were reading conspiracy theories, but no. We were looking at something even more perplexing, and that is beauty hacks. And trust me, some of them were real great.
And that's why we're here. We're gonna try out some really crazy, weird beauty hacks and then let you know which ones work and which ones don't. I saw this hack from Huda's channel. So what you do is you just open up the cotton a little bit, you run your spoolie around it, then you put a coat on your lashes and then you put mascara. So that way it becomes longer, fuller and stays on for a longer time.
Wait, are you saying you put a coat of cotton on your eyelashes? Oh my god.
My first coat of mascara is on. Now I'm gonna go for the thing.
Like, are you actually? Okay.
I cannot believe that I'm doing this to my spoolie, but oh my god. I fear that it's gonna get inside my eyes and then I'll not be able to see things.
I'm very curious to know what's happening.
I feel that putting the cotton on your lashes is a task.
It's good. And I can actually tell that you have cotton on your lashes.
You can?
Yes,
Good.
I can.
Great.
You know the fibers, the cotton fibers, I can actually see on her eyelash. You can do this, Shraddha, you can do this.
Oh, okay then. I have a feeling
I told you.
that this works.
So the fiber from the cotton got stuck on your eyelashes and it's acting as extra lashes. And thus she has thick lashes.
Okay, my verdict, like I have not even done yet, but it works.
It works, right? I told you, I had a feeling this will work. Thumbs up for the hack. Show me.
I have like
Shraddha has really big eyelashes right now.
right now. That is true.
So, the next hack is really interesting. We all know what a condom is, right? And we all know what is it used for. Pleasure and more.
I have no clue.
So guys, if you're above 18, only then must you try this. So we all have heard of silly sponges and we've used a lot of things to put our base makeup on. But today I'm going to use silicone in another form, and that is condom. Very excited for this. Lubricated latex condom. Let's see how this goes. I'm very excited for this.
Okay, so my hat looks like nothing in front of hers. I'm actually going to try clown contouring. That means you have all those funny lines, like you have your circular blush here, you have all the lines that a clown would use to do their makeup with, and I'm supposed to look all chiseled and highlighted after that.
So basically first you look like a clown and then you're expected to look all chiseled because of the clown contouring, right?
I would like to believe that. I really hope that works. Let's just start.
Hey, this thing is really sticky. What do I do? Okay, let's see. Maybe it helps sliding it on. So you take a sponge, like a regular sponge, and then you put the condom on like you would regularly. I think it's a small sponge. I need a bigger sponge for this condom. I'm going to try doing my foundation with this. Let's see how this goes. How is your clown contouring going? But isn't this what you do regularly, like on a everyday? That's how you conceal anyway, right?
I don't conceal so much, and there's more. There is a blush.
There's more to this?
Then there's some contour, and I don't know how to feel about it.
So for the first time,
That is gross.
putting condom on my face. It smells funny.
Ew, Roshni, this is so bad.
No, that's actually nice. Actually, you know what? It's not like, you know how the sponge sucks a lot of foundation. It's not really doing that. It's gliding on smoothly, and I'm not really, see, my foundation's just, there's so much, I haven't even used a lot. There's a lot of it is left, and I think this much is enough for the entire face. So I can already tell that you don't need a lot of product when you use condom as your makeup tool. It's not bad. I actually like it, yeah.
By the time you do all of this, I think your products will dry out. Even if they're cream products, you're taking so much time to just make the entire clown face. And I'm going to use my lipstick as a blush because I think it's a lot more lighter, and if you put a lot of blush in a concentrated area, it'll leave a lot of pigment. So I think this works better. Oh my god.
And my condom is doing a really good job, just saying. It's really well. It's really good. I don't know if different results with different brands, but this one's really, I think it's quite effective because it's putting on the foundation quite smoothly and I'm not using a lot of product. So I think I'm done, and I must say, Shraddha, I'm really, really, really impressed.
See, that's what I'm saying. She is done putting on foundation with a condom. And I'm still drawing the stupid clown face.
Would you like to blend it with
No,
this?
thank you. So this is what clown contouring looks like. It's funny.
And this is what blending with a condom looks like. I think this one really works. I like it. I might use it. Now I know I can use condom for more things than the obvious. I'm very impressed with my condom tool. How are you doing, Shraddha?
I don't know, I have mixed feelings because it took me so long to make the entire face. Now, what I was afraid of was the products would dry out, and they have. Like, I'm having a hard time blending all of this.
Don't you think you should spray like a facial spray or something?
But, like, what's the point? I don't want to waste so much time doing my face. I do it way quicker with just my brushes and, you know, step by step. Although now I'm thinking that it kind of works because, like, my makeup is blending out nicely.
Mine is super blended.
Okay, so far so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna use a brush now. Let's see.
Do you want to use a condom?
No thanks. I am kind of impressed. I like it. I just don't like the fact that all the blush went here. Because, like, I think you just have to be careful with the amount of blush.
Where else would you put a blush?
But, like, you spread it and you blend it, and I am a little finicky about blending. But I think it does its job, and I think it's a hit for me. It works.
The second hack, thumbs up.
I'm liking my face right now.
So am I.
Alright, so last one.
So the next hack is, again, a very interesting hack. You know how I like a good bushy brow, and I hate those drawn out like stencil brows. This one's actually where you use a soap on the spoolie like that,
yeah,
and then you put it on your brow so that your brows stay up, more like an editorial brow, right?
That is interesting. Also kind of gross. I have to use a sanitary napkin to put on my eyeliner. So you basically just cut out a bit of it, use it as a stencil, and then put your eyeliner with it to get that sharp defined wing. And
I think it's really going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some water on my spoolie, and I'm going to rub it on the soap so that I get some soap on it.
Meanwhile, I'm opening a pad, cutting it, and using it as a stencil for my eyeliner. What fun! Basically, you have to use the sticky bit, put it on your face so it stays, so that you don't have to like really hold it, and then go ahead. And you can just put on the rest of your eye makeup with it too, but I'm just gonna try out the liner today.
I'm very intrigued. In the meantime, I'm putting soap on my brows. I kind of like what's happening, but I feel if I would have used a clear soap and not white soap, would have helped the case better. But yeah, I think that they're definitely sticking up. I can say, like, my brows droop down during the day, and I see myself using a spoolie throughout the day, but I think they're going to stick up for a longer time, which only time will tell, but I have a feeling they're going to stick up for a bit.
Okay then.
Ooh! Perfect.
That's a pretty sharp wing.
That's very sharp and so quick.
Okay, I have a few concerns that all of you might want to consider. Firstly, you're sticking up a pad on your face. So either you do this before you put on your base makeup. Like right now, I have my makeup on and you
can tell that it got off.
Stick, right? And then you have to cut an absolutely identical piece
But you can't use the
for
same
the other
one.
eye
Why?
because it won't stick. Otherwise, okay, I'm gonna try and hold this so that it remains the same. Then again, the third concern is that when you put on eyeliner, like from this side, you know, okay, so I wanted to go till here, I did. But it's gonna be difficult recreating the same on this eye because you don't know where exactly to stop, okay? These are a few of my concerns, but you never know, this might work. Let's just
I think it'll
roll
work.
with it. Okay, I'm gonna hold this time. Okay, was this how close I was? I'm gonna try and just stay near where the stain is of the eyeliner previously, and we go in. Roshni, you're weird, stop it. I'm trying so hard to focus.
Yeah, who's weird? Because you brought me here to do weird beauty hacks. Show me.
Okay, I think in...
Sure.
These are
I
two
think-
different wings.
No, but I know they're slightly different, but I'm sure with some practice you can master the art of knowing where to go on what side, no?
With your pad.
With your pad.
Honestly, a duct tape works better. A hack should make your life simpler.
Yeah,
and this only is putting more and more work.
I get your point.
So this one, fail. So that was it for today's video. I wasn't so sure about these hacks. Honestly, I thought most of them won't work, but it was quite the opposite. So yeah, that was it. Let us know what you think in the comment section below about all of these hacks and if you agree with us or not.
And if you have more weird hacks that you would like us to try, do let us know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know the drill.
Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty. Oh my god, this is gross.
This is fun.